Let me share with you how to make a simple and delicious Chinese crepe known as Jian Bing right in your own kitchen. It is a wonderfully satisfying street food that you can easily recreate at home. Start by preparing the crispy component. Take 5 or 6 wonton wrappers and make 2 small cuts in the center of each one. Heat cooking oil in a small pan until it is warm. Carefully fry the wrappers until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become very crisp. Remove them and let the extra oil drain off on a paper towel. In a large mixing bowl, combine 200 grams of all-purpose flour with 100 grams of corned meal. These 2 flours will give the crepe its unique texture and a slight pleasant sweetness. Pour 300 grams of cool water into the flour mixture. Stir everything together in one direction until it forms a very thick and completely smooth paste. There should be no dry spots of flour left. Now add another 300 grams of cool water to the bowl. Continue to stir until the thick paste loosens up into a thin, smooth and pourable butter. It should have a consistency similar to drinkable yogurt. Preheat your electric grinder or large non-stick pan over medium heat. Lather about 1 cup of the butter into the center of the hard surface. Use a silicone spatula to quickly spread it into a very thin, even circle. Once the crepe surface has set and is no longer wet, crack 1 egg directly onto it. Gently spread the egg white and yolk over the entire surface. Sprinkle a pinch of black sesame seeds over the egg for flavor and a nice appearance. Lightly spray or brush the top with a little cooking oil. Carefully flip the entire crepe over. You should see a beautifully cooked spotted surface on this cooked side. Spread 1 tablespoon of your favorite savory sauce like hoisin or bean paste. Then sprinkle a handful of chopped green onions. Now place your fillings in a line down the center of the crepe. Add 1 or 2 fresh lettuce leaves, 1 cooked ortwitan, ham sausage, and a few of the crispy fried wonton strips you made earlier. Gently but firmly fold the sides of the crepe over the fillings and roll it up from the bottom to create a neat parcel. Your homemade Jian Bing is ready. The contrast between the soft, eggy crepe, the savory sauce, and the incredible crunch in the middle is an absolute joy to eat. This is a truly rewarding dish to master.